Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Meaningful Mission. I believe that everyone has a meaningful mission in life. Whether it's to help others, make a difference in the world, or simply live a happy and fulfilling life, we all have something to offer. On this channel, I will be sharing tips, advice, and stories about how to find your meaningful mission and live a life that is true to yourself. I will also be interviewing other people who are living their own meaningful missions, so you can learn from their experiences. Whether you are just starting out on your journey or you're looking for inspiration, I hope you will find my channel helpful. Together, we can all make the world a more meaningful place. Do you ever feel like you're not important? Like your voice does not matter, and your contributions are overlooked? If so, you're not alone. Many people feel this way at some point in their lives. But the truth is, you are important. You have something unique to offer the world, and you deserve to be respected and valued. So how do you get others to see your importance? It's not always easy, but it's definitely possible. Here are a few tips. 1. Be confident. Confidence is key. When you believe in yourself, others will believe in you too. So don't be afraid to speak up, take risks, and go after what you want. 2. Be competent. People respect those who are competent and capable. So make sure you're up to the task. Do your research, learn new skills, and always strive to do your best. 3. Be reliable. People appreciate those who can be counted on. So make sure you're someone who follows through on your commitments. Be on time, meet deadlines, and always deliver on your promises. 4. Be positive. A positive attitude is contagious. When you're positive and enthusiastic, it rubs off on others. So make sure you're always looking on the bright side and bringing positive energy to the table. 5. Be helpful. People are drawn to those who are helpful and supportive. So be willing to lend a helping hand whenever you can. Go out of your way to help others, and you'll quickly become an indispensable part of any team. 6. Be humble. Don't be afraid to admit when you're wrong, and don't take credit for other people's work. Be humble and gracious, and people will respect you for it. 7. Be respectful. Treat everyone with respect, regardless of their position or title. Be polite, listen attentively, and avoid making assumptions. When you're respectful of others, they'll be more likely to respect you in return. 8. Be genuine. Be yourself, and don't try to be someone you're not. People can spot a fake a mile away. So be authentic and genuine, and people will be drawn to you for who you really are. Conclusion. Getting others to see your importance takes time and effort. But if you follow these tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming a respected and valued member of any team. Here are some additional tips that you can follow to get importance from others. 1. Be a good listener. When you are talking to someone, really listen to what they have to say. Don't just wait for your turn to talk. 2. Be supportive. Be there for your friends and family when they need you. Offer them a listening ear, a shoulder to cry on, or a helping hand. 3. Be positive. Even when things are tough, try to stay positive. Your positive attitude will rub off on others and make them feel better. 4. Be helpful. Don't be afraid to help others out, even if it's just a small favor. People will appreciate your help and be more likely to help you in return. 5. Be honest. Always be honest with others, even if it's not easy. Honesty is important, and people will respect you for it. 6. Be fair. Treat everyone fairly, regardless of their background or status. Fairness is important, and people will appreciate it. 7. Be forgiving. Everyone makes mistakes. If someone wrongs you, try to forgive them. Holding on to grudges will only hurt you in the long run. 8. Be grateful. Be grateful for the good things in your life, both big and small. Gratitude is a powerful emotion, and it will make you more positive and optimistic. Following these tips will help you get importance from others. Remember, you are important, and you deserve to be respected and valued. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to find your meaningful mission and live a life that is true to yourself. Remember, you are important, and you deserve to be respected and valued. So go out there and show the world what you're made of. Thank you again. I value your time.